Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel, bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video, as you can see, I'm in my robe and I'm in my bathroom, so that means it's skincare time. So as you can see, my face is have a little bit of hair. You probably can't see it, but I can feel it and I know I have it. If I want a smooth application of foundation on my face, you're in the right channel. So I got gifted this product right here. Thank you, Jill. I'm going to tell you all about this product. It's razors, and if you guys have TikTok, Instagram, this is something super popular in the social media world, and everybody been talking about this product, and I'm super excited to show you guys what is in here. If you guys never shaved your face or anything like that, I highly recommend you guys do so, because if you're trying to have that nice foundation, that smooth airbrush finish foundation, that's what it's going to give you if you shave your face, because you don't want no peach fuzz or anything like that. Shaving your face is like exfoliating your face. Who wouldn't want to exfoliate the face? If you are into skincare product also, shaving your face is also like exfoliating, and that will exfoliate and take away all the dead skin out of your face. So that's also good, and all your skincare product will work even better. So I'm going to show you guys what's in here. So it comes in a cute little packaging right here. This is super cute, and I will definitely use I will put my makeup brushes in here and also put my little razors in here and travel with this beautiful case. And it's also pink. Look how beautiful is this. If you guys wouldn't know the price, I will link everything down below. So when you open it up, it comes with a little pamphlet like this, and look how cute. I just love it. They need to put me in here. Just kidding. But this is so cute. It says Jill the Shave. So it just gives you like a little pamphlet of what you should do on your face and everything like that. But it's super basic and super easy. I mean, I know half of you guys are probably scared of shaving your face, but don't be alarmed, because this razor is basically for your face. So it's not going to cut your face. You're not going to be bleeding all over the place. You're not. Trust me, this is meant for your face. It's meant for that soft skin. So anyways, this is the little pamphlet right here. That's what it will come in your little packaging. And then you have a little cloth right here. So if you guys want to see all that nasty gunk when I shave my face, you just wipe it in here, and then you see all that nice excess disgusting hair. So that's cute. They give you a little cloth. So we're going to open it up so I can put it aside, because we're going to be using that. And you know what? I definitely like that it's white, because like that you can see all the hair that is coming out of your face. Like, who wouldn't want to see all the hair? So it comes with a little cloth like this, and I'm excited to use that just so I'm gonna put that aside. And then it comes with a razor right here. It comes with extra razor, which is pretty good. So let me open it up and see. So it says replace me after every shave. So that's good, because you don't want to be using the same razors all the time, because that's how you start getting like pimples and stuff like that. So let's throw it away and use a new razor. So I like that it comes with a new razors in here to replace it. And then when you open up, this is the baby right here. This is where all the magic is going to happen. And you have your cute little razor right here. This is just so cute. You can just put it anywhere, guys. And it just looks like a cute little pen. I just love the color. I love the packaging. So I open it up like this, and it's a little razor. So this little razor right here, I will definitely use it for my eyebrows and right here on my mustache, which you can see is a little dark, which is time for me to shave. And then they do have in here, they have the bigger one, and the bigger one is definitely for your face, so you can get all that hair out of your face. So we're going to begin. I can't wait to show you guys. I know this is like personal, but you know what? We're family, and why not show you guys what I do, because this is a beauty channel. And you guys, some of you guys always ask like, why is your makeup so smooth and looks like airbrush? And let me tell you guys, the only way for you to have that nice smooth skin when you have that foundation is to shaving your face. No point blank about it. Everyone has hair in their face. It could be a little bit of hair, a lot of hair, but everybody does. And when you shave your face, it will be a huge difference when you shave your face, because everything will just look so smooth, so shiny. Anything you put on your face will just look 100 times better. So if you haven't shaven your face yet, you should start doing so, because you will look so much brighter and so much younger also. So I already washed my face, and if you guys want to know what I use, I highly recommend this soap. I use the Face Soap and Clean. This has vitamin C, and this also, since we're talking about brightening also, this also brighten your face. Vitamin C does an amazing job for your face, and as you can see, my face is good because I use this. Look, it's almost gone. I use this every single day, morning and night. So I wash my face with this, and I also use this little brush right here. Like, this is my baby. This exfoliate my face. I just love this. Like, these two together, I cannot live without. I cannot live without. I take it everywhere. If you guys want to know where I got this, I will link this down below also, but I got this in Target. You guys can see this. This is the Pharmacy, the Soap and Glory. Target, you will find this. They got the smaller bottle and the bigger bottle. I highly recommend this, but I'm going to be using this right here, aloe vera gel 96%, and I'm going to be using this baby right here. I bought this off of Amazon. I will also link this down below. It's like perfect. Let me open this up so I can show you. I got this little foolie right here, and you open it up like this. It legit is aloe vera, 96%, and look how it looks, just like this. So this is what usually I use for my face. You can use serum, but I use this for my face just so I can shave my face. I'm gonna use this right here, and I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna use this later because I do have to do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my face first. I'm gonna put this little thing right here. It's super easy, guys. You see, you just click that like that, and this is how it looks. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the aloe vera on my face, just so it can give me an easy setup on my face, just so when I'm shaving my face, it can like glide easily when I'm shaving my face. And you see how I have a little bit of sideburns right here? It's time for a shave, and that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna grab my little thing, I'm gonna pull my skin down, and then I'm just gonna, you hear that? Oh, it's so satisfying. I don't know if you guys can see the hairs, but that is hair. I'm going to put it in here so you guys can see all the hair I got. Like, oh, like, do you see that? Ew, that is so gross. But you know what, guys? We're family here, and you guys are actually going to see me. So this is what I'm doing. Clean out the product. Look at that. That's hair in my face, guys. I know you're like, ew. If you guys are wondering when to shave your face, I usually do it every 2 weeks, but you can do it every week too if you want. Pulling my sideburns up a little bit and then shaving that. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of aloe vera on my other side, right here. right, guys, so I'm going to take this out and I'm gonna use this little one right here. Put a little bit. Now I'm gonna do my mustache. This is the part that I really, really, really needed. Guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm not putting no aloe vera gel on my eyebrows. I'm just going to do it like that because that's how I do it. But I'm going to be using a little Foolie because the eyebrows, you have to be a little more careful because I don't get my eyebrows done like I said in the nail salon. I usually, this is what I do. I don't wax it. And then grab this. Like that. Grab this Foolie and push it down. And I'm going to use a little more of aloe vera, and this is just going to cool my face. This will be like my serum just to relax me until tomorrow. And then I'll just wash it out. Guys, so this is how my face is looking right now, all nice and shaved. Can you see the difference? Like, it's a little more glowy. It's a little more, everything just looks, I think, smoother. I don't know if you guys can notice that, but it does look smoother. So I'm gonna show you my hair. It looks kind of gross, but I'm gonna show you all the hair that came out of my face. Ah! That's all the hair that came out of my face, my sideburns, my mustache. Yeah, guys. I let my face go wild for this video so you guys can see the improvement of my face. I love shaving my face. If you haven't tried shaving your face, I highly, highly, highly recommend you guys shaving your face and using this product right here. I will link this product down below so you guys can check it out. It's super affordable. Like I said, the blade is not super, super sharp, so it's not gonna make your face bleed, but it does feel so good. My face feels like a baby bottom. Thank you once again, Jill, for sending me this product. I am in love. I can't wait to shave my face now every 2 weeks. But I am so done, guys. And until my next video, bye.